Friends, I am extremely happy to welcome you to this interesting presentation on why many students feel scary about the subject network analysis and electrical circuit theory. Is it difficult? Is that so hard to assimilate? Not at all, friends. This issue is pondering in my mind since long. I am involved in teaching this subject over 4+ decades, and I have tried to read the minds of the learners, discuss with teachers teaching the subjects, and arrive at few causes and possible remedies, and I wish I should put forth before you for your benefit. In my opinion, various stakeholders such as board of studies drafting the syllabus, teachers teaching the subject, authors producing the teaching materials such as notes, texts, PPTs, tutorial videos are required to contribute to help the learners feel comfortable in assimilating the subject easily. While I was glancing the opinion of learners in the media, most of the learners expressed fear in understanding the subject. I am putting before you some representative opinions here. One, Miss Diksha Kalsotra, now an electronic engineer, says, during B.Tech, my weakest and scariest subject was networks. Another, Prachal Jadeja, M.Tech, electrical engineering, says, it is not a subject which can be cleared by just reading or flicking. Then, Rajarshi Bandopadhyaya, M.Tech, says, the only way is to practice, practice, practice and solve lots of numerical problems. Friends, these are not their own individual feelings, but the facts and the problems of learners. We all concerned need to address these issues and provide possible solutions. In this presentation, I have tried to throw light on my own opinion based on my experience. According to me, this subject stands among those which can be scored near 100%. But why? Even top ranking students thrive hard to earn high score. This is the issue which is to be addressed. First, let's look at the syllabus. The syllabus of network analysis and electrical circuit theory is framed based on the basic prerequisite of basic electrical engineering subject learned in first year engineering course, that you know. In basic electrical engineering subject, the coverage of circuit theory is only about 10%. In network theory or electrical circuit analysis, emphasis on basic circuit concepts, though included as revision, what basic concepts are to be learned or taught is not specifically spelled out explicitly. Time span allotted also is minimal. So, what teachers will do? They make passing remarks and go ahead. In my opinion, the main reason and difficulty in assimilating the subject is this. This has to be addressed. So, let us now investigate the reference material. If we glance different reference materials such as notes, textbooks, tutorial videos, PPTs, we notice that there are no standardizations in defining or adopting the procedures and so on. Teachers teach using X reference and students use different Y reference and hence face a dilemma. All references lead to the same result. This is a different aspect. But most of the references do not have specific section or sections to explain the basic concepts. Authors presume that the learners know the concepts and apply them. But this is a myth, friends. Then, what is the role and responsibility of teachers? Most of the students enter the classroom with the predetermined notion that this subject is difficult. This myth should be washed out from the minds of the learners by explaining the basic concepts required to be known. Then conduct more tutorial sessions to solve the networks in the class, making small groups. Arrange rapid fire questions and answer sessions in the class, designing the questions, evoking their thinking process, and enhance their confidence level. Give periodic assignments and involve them in the teaching learning process. Create your own material such as short notes, PPTs, short videos, and publish in the college portal or in the media and make them available to the learners at any time, anywhere. Make the learners feel confident and comfortable in assimilating process. Friends, students' role is crucial and very important in this process. I suggest students first to remove the myth from your mind that subject is difficult. Friends, this subject is very easy if you are strong in basic concepts and know where and how to apply them. Solve lots of numerical problems using different methods to evaluate your answers obtained. Make study groups and discuss the concepts and learn collectively. Use right material available in the media, friends. For that, consult your teachers and take their guidance. Friends, network analysis or electrical circuit theory is not the subject to read but to practice. Remember this. Particularly for students, I appeal to stop reading network analysis but to practice by solving numerical examples. For faculty, involved in framing the syllabus, I strongly emphasize to add all basic circuit concepts required in the beginning itself, explicitly listing out in the syllabus. Put efforts to arrive at standard notations and definitions and procedures. For teachers, I sincerely request to deal the required basic concepts even if they are not explicitly spelled in the syllabus. Hope this presentation has kindled some of your thoughts. in bringing required changes to make field the teaching, learning, network analysis and electrical circuit analysis more pleasurable to all the stakeholders. Friends, I wish to make it clear that these are my own views based on my experience. Thank you very much for watching.